Clickasnap, what is going on? I'm not very happy with the last email I received from you guys. Now, majority of us actually pay for subscription. I'm a regular subscriber through a lot of services from Adobe, Google, Dropbox, Vimeo, you name it. I pay subscriptions to those places. Now, I expect a notification from a lot of these places, which a lot of them do, notify you, hey, your renewal is going to be coming up. Do you want to do any changes? Do you want to cancel or whatnot? I'm very happy when they actually do that. It gives me the choice to actually make changes or cancel it. Now, I was expecting that from Clickasnap, and my renewal for the year, I knew it was somewhere this year, and I'm thinking, they're going to send me some kind of notification that my renewal is coming up, and do you want to renew it or whatnot, or renew it, and then you go through the process. But instead, I get an email from them that says, your credit card has been billed. So let's go back a little bit. I had no intentions of actually renewing my pro seller account in Clickasnap. I was already set that the fact that I was not going to upgrade my account, and the fact that I got an email from them and it says receipt from Clickasnap, 57 pounds and 60 something, and it happened on February 23rd. On that same day, I went ahead in their website and I had asked them to refund me. So I went in their website, I went through the system and I read the FAQs that you go to pro seller and you downgrade. So I did that. The same day I got billed, I tried to contact them and I created a trouble ticket, right? And I filled this out, and then I told them, hey, it's the day that you guys charged me or something like that, and I would like to request for a refund. I was not notified ahead of time that you guys were gonna bill me. Instead, you just actually billed me. And that was February 23rd. 2 weeks had passed by. It's already 3/7, and I sent them another ticket, and I told them this. This is the second time I'm sending this request for a refund. On February 23rd, 2022, I received a notification from Clickasnap that my credit card was billed for 57 pounds and 60 something. On this very same day, I had gone through this same process, which I had requested for a refund. The reason why? I did not get notification from your organization that my pro seller is due for a renewal. Had I known ahead of time, I would have canceled my subscription right away. I subscribe to various online sources from Adobe, Dropbox, Google, domain places, and several other places. They provide notification that the renewal is approaching. I would like to kindly be refunded from my last transaction and sent over my earnings from 2021, which I gained $7.07 coming from what I made in my earnings, right? And then within a couple hours, wow, they actually sent me an email. And this is what it says. Thank you for getting in touch with us. We can see your support ticket was reference waiting to cancel your membership or delete your account with us. If this is the case, please re-email us without using cancellation within the query, blah, 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 blah. The one that I'm not very happy about, when downgrading or canceling, you are purchasing a new lower subscription level or moving on to a free account, and the reimbursement of the difference between subscription changes will not be considered under any circumstances. We do not refund on a pro rata basis when downgraded or canceling your account. Now, see, this is where I'm bothered by this. The first year, I already provided them service, and I gave them my money up front. They're easily taking it. I had no ill intentions on this website. Just the fact that I used it, it was not for me. The fact that they're not willing to meet me halfway on my refund, and I have requested the day that they actually charge my credit card, they would at least acknowledge the prorate it or something like that. I don't care. Find a way to refund it. It's just not cool. A lot of these services will try to find a way to meet with you, and the fact that they're not just going to refund me like that. So I'm not feeling good about this website at all, and it's just not for me at all completely. In a lot of the videos I've had with Clickasnap, a lot of users would come in and comment, hey, this site is a scam, they don't pay you, blah, blah, blah. I'm actually kind of feeling that now. Even the fact that my $7, they didn't even acknowledge the fact that they should pay me, and that's money owed to me. So what does that tell you guys, right? Where should I take this, this approach now? So I'm just going to vent out through my videos, and hopefully one of the management in that company will see this and find a way to resolve it. Like I said, I'm not very happy. So what do you guys think? Have you guys come across same issues like this? Comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.